In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit multiple choice responses in Google Forms. If you've ever needed to keep a cap on the number of responses for any particular option in a Google form, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, covering everything you need to know in about 5 minutes. Let's start by heading over to Google Drive. This is where you'll find your Google Forms. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the option labeled Apps, i.e. and give that a click. Here, you'll see a list of G Suite applications. Scroll through until you spot Form. This is Google Forms, the tool we will be using to set up your limited responses. If you don't have an existing form to work with, go ahead and create a new form. Simply locate and click on Create New Form, which will open up a blank template where you can start adding your questions and multiple choice options tailored to your needs. Now that your form is open, you'll need to add your options. Make sure to carefully enter each option under the multiple choice question type. This is crucial as these are the options you'll be setting limits on later. With your options in place, look towards the upper right corner for the More option, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu you should select Get Add-ons. This is where we'll find the tool to limit responses. A new window will pop up with a search bar at the top. Go ahead and search for Choice Limiter. You'll be presented with a few choices, but what you want is Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter. Click on this and you'll be directed to the app page where you can proceed by clicking on Install. As this is an add-on, you will need to connect it with your Google account. Follow the prompts to allow the necessary permissions, ensuring you click Connect to your account when prompted. When that installation process is complete, you'll see an option to click Done and indeed proceed with that. Back in your form, you'll spot a puzzle piece icon, which is the add-ons icon. Click that and from the list select Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter. After activating it, click on Start to initiate the setup process for your limiter. At this point, select the questions you wish to limit and configure the limits according to your specifications. Finally, with everything set up, head over to the top right corner of your form editor and find Publish. Click Publish to set your form live and effective with the limits now in place. And that's it, you've successfully set up limitations on multiple choice options within your Google form, giving you complete control over the number of times a response can be selected. Thanks for tuning in and happy form creating.